Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to bake wahoo fish. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. And those are the ingredients I will be using to bake my wahoo fish. Mayonnaise, lemon juice and lemon zest, complete seasoning, paprika, parmesan cheese, salt. The first thing I'm going to do is sprinkle some salt on the fish on both sides. As you can see, they are nice and thick, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Next step, I'm going to add the complete seasoning and paprika. Give them nice massage. Take your time. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. To add the mayo. Make sure you don't add too much salt if you're gonna use cheese and mayo, okay? Because you don't want it to be too salty. We almost there, looking good. Make sure you grease the pan and place them in the pan. Add the lemon zest and lime juice. And last thing, the parmesan cheese on top. I'm going to let it bake for about 20 minutes. There you have it, ladies and gents. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you next time.